so I just give up. I find somewhere to hide, wait till it's over. Try to survive the pain and the torture. Punches thrown, trying to crush your soul. You trying to duck the blows like the Mayweather shoulder. What you do, it'll all be important to help you through all of the torment. You can fight back all the evil forces, forced to forfeit. They call it reinforcements. No sweating them fools, I got them nervous. I got a weapon to use and it's perfect. And this weapon renews and restores quick. And this weapon I use, I call it worship.